Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Nissan Armada, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you can also use tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol 70% mixed with distilled water. So just grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. And if you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, then go ahead and use the tack solution. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, then you should be good without the tack. And make sure to clean around the surrounding area in case the film does touch anywhere else other than the lens, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So once we're done with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So this is the kit for the headlight tint. So with this one, you will notice that there is these cutouts here. The cutouts are for the film to sit onto the headlight without lifting over time. The reason being is because of the deep curvature that the headlight design is. We need to make sure we give it enough room. That way the film stays tight down. So when it comes to the installation, it is going to be a little tedious because of how many steps we need to do in order for the film to make sure to stay tacked down and not lift over time. So to start with the installation, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the lens. So it should be like this. Okay, so first we're going to start by lining the film and tightening down on the top section here. We're just going to lift it and apply tack solution right on the edge. And we're going to secure this entire section. That way we're able to stretch the film and align the rest as we go. So make sure it's not moving. If it does move, it just means that we applied a little bit too much slip solution. So we're just going to have to apply a good amount of tack solution and heat. That way the film is able to anchor on this section here. And to help that adhesive cure faster, we can apply heat by using a heat gun or an air dryer. Okay, so just apply heat around this section here. Use the lowest setting. Apply tack solution on top. That way our squeegee is able to glide and not scratch the film. So we need to secure this section here. So now if you notice, the film is more secured, it's not moving around. And now just do the same here, keep it aligned. You might need to do a light stretch to reach it to the bottom here. So just apply a little bit of tack solution, that way we help the adhesive activate faster. And you could do the same thing, apply a little bit of heat, that way will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. Once we secured this entire section here, now we can focus on each section of the headlight. Okay, so the first part we're going to work on is the top piece here. So just apply tack solution and we're going to stretch the film until we reach to the edge here. So stretch it until it's on the edge, and make sure we're covering the entire headlight. So stretch, hold it in position, apply tack solution, and then start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Once this section is secured, apply a little bit of heat, that way it stays tacked down. So for the middle section here, we're going to do the same thing as how we did it here. Do a light stretch, that way we cover the clear section of the headlight. So lift the film, apply tack solution underneath, stretch the film, hold it in position for a couple seconds, that way the film starts tacking down to the headlight. Grab your squeegee and help it tack down. So it's just working section by section. And keep in mind, because there is cutouts in the middle area here, some of the sections of the headlight will be exposed. So just keep that in mind. So with this one, same process. We just need to make sure we stretch it to reach it to the edge, and then we tack it down. So just apply tack solution, stretch up to the edge, hold the film, and then tack it down. And because of the curved design here, we are going to need to apply a little bit of heat, that way the film stays tacked down on this section here, and also on the top, because if we leave it like this, it's just going to lift over time. So you notice it's lifting because of the curve here. So just help it tack down as much as you can before applying heat. So just apply tack solution where you see that it's lifting. Get your heat gun, apply heat on the area where it's lifting. Grab your microfiber towel and apply pressure with your microfiber towel. That way the film starts sitting on the curve. So it should be like this, it shouldn't be lifting. It's the same process here. Apply heat, that way it stays flat on the curve. We just need to make sure this stays tacked down, secured here, and it doesn't lift. You will see that there's a cutout here as well. That's perfectly fine. This section will be exposed, but that's fine. You just need to make sure it stays tacked down and it doesn't lift over time. So just apply heat. And if you encounter any fingers, just apply heat and tack them down slowly. And that's pretty much it with installation. It just takes time, making sure you work section by section, tacking everything down. And then once you're done with the headlight installation, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So once you're done with the installation, the last thing to do is to post heat. Just grab your tack solution and spray it onto the lens. And you're going to need your heat device. That way we help apply heat throughout the entire lens. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. And in case the film is still lifting somewhere around the headlight lens, we just help it tack down with our microfiber towel. So use the lowest setting, take your time applying heat, help it tack down, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Nissan Armada. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.